Hello friends, welcome once again to another tutorial of React development. And in this tutorial, we are learning about how to install the Bootstrap framework in your React app with the help of NPM or Node Package Manager. So in the previous video, we discussed about how we can use Bootstrap. So what we did, we simply copied this link URL. We simply copied this link tag from Bootstrap official website and we pasted in our index.html's head, and the JavaScript file we pasted it just before the closing body tag. This way our app started working properly, and yes, we can see that our application is now showing the bootstrap styling. Okay, but if you want to do it in a proper way with the help of npm, the node package manager, what you have to do is you have to follow this. Okay, so I have written the entire resource here. I will provide the link, and otherwise it is very simple also. So just copy this first command, which is node package manager install bootstrap. This will install bootstrap. Currently the latest version is 5, so we'll see later. Okay, if you are using or seeing this video later, so whatever version of bootstrap is at that time, it will install that. Now you will go into your Visual Studio Code, and you have to open your terminal. Okay, in your terminal, first navigate to your folder. So our folder is React BS. Now we are inside our folder, so you have to make sure that you are in your proper folder. Okay, here you will paste the command and hit enter, and npm install bootstrap added 2 packages. Okay, found 0 vulnerabilities. In your React BS, which is your current app, where you will open this, somewhere you will find bootstrap. Okay, you can see bootstrap. So in bootstrap you can find dist, you can see the css that has been installed, right? Then you will see the js files that have been installed. So this is doing almost the same thing, but in this case we are using it with the help of link href, and in this case we have to import this package. Okay, so that's why we'll use the second step, that is import bootstrap dist css bootstrap.min.css. So we are going to import the same css file, but this time with the help of import. Okay, and when you will go to this file that we are talking about in bootstrap distribution css bootstrap.min.css. Okay, this is the file. You will see its version 5.3.3, so you can check your version also. When you have copied this file, so you have to put it inside your src index.js or app.js. But in our case, since we are using Vite, and in our app structure that you have been following so far, we have the index.html. We will go to src, we'll go to app.jsx. Okay, because this app.jsx will load that, but with the help of this use state and nano function and different type of things that we have done, what we are going to do is, what we have done is in our main.jsx we are calling the header component and the app. Okay, so this is the file where we have to import that. Okay, whatever css is there, we have to import it here. Now after importing this, you can see optionally install and import bootstrap icons also. So if you have to use bootstrap icons, you have to install this. First, we'll see what is working, what is not. If we have followed up to point number 2 here. Okay. Now we will do npm. Sorry, we will go to terminal and we will do npm. Just a minute. We'll do npm run dev. When you will do npm run dev, again your application will start running at this URL in your local host. Let's see. Okay, it is loading everything because we have not yet removed the these files. So we have to remove these links from here and then we will see what is happening to our app. So we'll remove this JavaScript in this file. Okay, let's see what is happening to our app. And you can see it is still showing it. Even when we press Ctrl plus U, you can see uh, those files are not there anymore, but still it is showing the same thing. So this means that Bootstrap has been properly imported with the help of npm package manager. As I said, if you want to use icons, Bootstrap icons, then you can do that. Okay, this is our React app with Bootstrap framework. I'm just giving this title so that you can understand. Now, if you have to install those icons, as I said, so this file link of this URL will be there in your course, and you can just copy this npm install bootstrap icons. But before doing this, let's press Console C so that we can terminate. Then we will copy once again properly, paste it as npm install bootstrap icons. It is installing. Okay, and now we will use this file. So whenever you have installed any particular package, so you have to import that package in your main file here when we are using Vite, and otherwise you can put it inside app.jsx, or you can also put it inside your index.html. Okay, but you have to make sure that you have to put it somewhere which is being called in all your pages. So this main.jsx, that's why its name is main.jsx, because it is being called in all pages. So this is something that we can do. Similarly, if you have this is example also, so you can try this example. But optionally, if you want to add JavaScript components like modal, tooltips, etc., modals are like pop-ups that appear in the page itself. You must have seen many newsletter subscriber forms. So we'll create them, obviously. Just follow this tutorial. So you can install this also. Okay. And then Bootstrap will automatically handle JavaScript interactions for components like tooltips, drop-downs, and modals. So you can install this also now. So let's go there and install this as well. And as it is already written here, after installing this, you don't have to import it. Bootstrap will automatically handle JavaScript interactions. So again, the purpose of this video was just to explain you how to use npm or the Node Package Manager to install Bootstrap in your React app. So I hope you understood this. See you in the next video where we'll discuss more about React app development.